Good morning everybody, welcome to Vlogmas day 13. Today I think is just going to be a bit of a bed day because we've got work to catch up on. Well, mainly this one over here is got work to catch up on. Yeah, I've got this official sound edit for my documentary coming through later today as well, which means hopefully tonight my documentary will be officially finished, thank goodness. And yeah, I've pretty much written the whole essay for my documentary. Why are you so weird?
Morning.
Morning. So hopefully that'll get done today. Ow, stop it. It's the claw. Okay, so it might be kind of a boring vlog because we're just gonna be in bed doing work most of the day. So I guess I'll just update you if anything interesting happens.
I'm here to make vlogging a challenge.
Oh, you're so cute. Look at you. Oh my god, you're just adorable.
Shut up.
You're so cute. So cute. So cute.
You're still filming me.
I've been trying to load Premiere on my laptop for a good 45 minutes. This is so annoying. Nothing will load. If anyone wants to buy me a new laptop for Christmas, I'd be more than welcome to accept that. Can you hear that? I love the sound of rain. It's so calming. I've literally done nothing today. My laptop was so slow that it took ages to edit and render out my video from yesterday. And now I am just hopefully completing my documentary. I'm just importing the audio, the official audio files. There's 2 versions, so hopefully I can just choose between the 2 and then export it and then it's done. So that's exciting. Yeah, I opened the window because it's a bit stuffy in here. I'm still in my pyjamas and it's 3:30. My aim for today was to actually go home because I've been at Chris's for like a week, maybe just slightly less than a week, and I just want to be back in my own place, you know. But tomorrow we're going to see the new Star Wars film, so chances are I'm probably just gonna stay here another night, go to the cinema and then go back to my flat from there. What day is it tomorrow? Yeah, tomorrow's Thursday. And then Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Friday is deadlines. Well, deadline for one. Deadline for my documentary because our other deadline's been pushed back till next Tuesday, which is good, but like I've basically finished my essay, sort of. I've literally done nothing today. But it's nice to listen to the rain. Also, Chris bought this cactus and it came with eyes on it. How cute. Guys, it's just been one of those days where I just don't film anything. Oh, I've got a message. Got dinner here, currently doing some more work. It's just been one of those days where my laptop's been really slow and I've been trying to do some work. So that's why I've literally filmed nothing, so sorry about that. So I'm ending today's video here because I've literally done nothing today. Well, I've done some work, but like nothing for you to watch that's interesting. But yeah, my sister's just messaged me saying she's finally booked tickets for us to go see School of Rock. Woo! If anyone's been watching me this year, then you may know that she said she was going to get me tickets for my birthday back in May. But then she went on tour with work and we just couldn't find a date that we were both free to like go and see it, so we finally booked it for January, which is cool. So yeah, I'm not even gonna say give this video a like because it's been so boring. So I'll just see you tomorrow. Bye.